To fix a non-functional J5 Create docking station, it is necessary to address potential hardware connection issues or outdated drivers. Begin by checking the connections. Connect the docking station to a computer. And if it still doesn't work, try connecting it to another device to see if it is detected. Use the same cable to connect a monitor and PC. And if it still won't detect, consider replacing the cable. Inspect the docking station's cables for physical damage and replace them as needed. Additionally, updating the docking station's drivers is crucial. Visit the official website, navigate to the support page, and click on the Downloads or Drivers option. Enter the docking station's name and model in the search bar. Then expand the support option and click the download option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the download, and the docking station should be functional again.